Hey, how's it going? And today I'm going to show you how to duplicate a project in Unreal Engine 5.4. This actually came up because I put a lot of work into this particular project, and now I want to reuse that core game functionality in a completely different game. And so it's going to be a game with a completely different name and everything. The one I want to duplicate is here called Course 1. I want to call it Course 2. So what I'm going to do is I click on this, and I'm just in the library. So I'm going to right click and go clone, and it's going to auto name it. I'm just going to let it auto name it, and I'll just go create, and you get this warning. And this is a good time to mention that this only works, these steps I'm showing you only works with projects that are blueprint based. If they're C++ classes, this doesn't apply. So then we're just going to go ahead and go continue, and it's going to take a minute to compile. So I guess if you were going to do C++ classes, that before you get to the point where you're actually creating C++ classes, you could go ahead and clone it and then add your C++ classes. So you'll see it right here. It looks like course 12, but I want to call it course 2. So we're going to change the name for this. So what you do is you click the folder, and then we go show in folder. And there's just a couple places we need to change it. One is we need to change the name right here, the actual project folder name. So here we're just going to click this and change it to course 2, and then we'll click into it here, and then we need to change the name here on the U project folder. Basically all I need to do is get rid of that one. If there are thumbnail images you have custom, you would change the names here, but I don't have any custom thumbnails. And then what we do is we go into the config file, go into default engine INI, and double click into here. It might prompt to ask you if you want to open it with WordPad. So here there's 3 places we need to change the name here. Get rid of it there, here where it says game name. And then if we come down here, you have to kind of look. You'll see under script engine.engine, and we need to change the name here from course 1 to course 2. And then just be sure to save that. And those are all the places that we need to change it. Now the most important thing is that we can only open the file now from in here. We don't have access here anymore because the name has been changed and it doesn't recognize it. So the only way to launch the project and initialize all those changes is to launch it from here. So then we just go ahead and launch the game from here. And then what I would do is, of course, check and make sure everything's working. So everything looks fine there. So I'll just go save all, make sure everything's good. And then I'm going to go ahead and exit out of here. And now you'll see that the name has been changed here to course 2. So I've successfully duplicated the project. I hope you found this helpful. Take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.